Today, we're creating a magical transformation and turning your character into an angel, complete with a glowing aura and heavenly energy. This effect is perfect for fantasy edits, storytelling, or dreamy aesthetic moments. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap your clip to select it. Now, head down to the Effects button on the toolbar. Next, open Body Effects. Inside this panel, scroll to the Dark tab. Here, you'll find an effect called Angel. Tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see a glowing divine aura appear around your subject, giving a soft, celestial look. This creates the illusion of heavenly energy surrounding your character. To refine the look, tap on the effect again to access the sliders. Texture controls the visual style of the aura. You can make it smooth and soft, or more dramatic and detailed. Size adjust how large the angelic aura spreads around your subject. Increase it for a grand heavenly presence, decrease for a subtle glow. Amount controls how much angelic energy appears. Higher values increase the intensity of the effect, lower values keep it delicate. Filter allows you to shift the color tone of the aura. Choose warm gold for a divine look, cool white for purity, or pastel shades for dreamy edits. Intensity adjust the brightness of the glow on your subject. Increase intensity for strong heavenly shine, decrease for a gentle soft presence. Experiment with these sliders until you get the perfect magical angel look. You can keep it subtle for romantic vibes or make it bold for cinematic power ups. Preview your clip to watch your character transform into a glowing angelic figure. And that's it. You've successfully turned yourself into an angel in CapCut Mobile. It's a beautiful effect for fantasy edits, emotional storytelling, or aesthetic reels. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing tips and effects.